Blockchain technology is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from finance and supply chain management to healthcare and voting. The blockchain technology market is growing rapidly, with a projected CAGR of 59.9% from 2023 to 2030. This growth is being driven by a number of factors, including increasing demand for secure and transparent transactions across many industries, growing adoption of blockchain as a service, BaaS solutions, rising identity and data theft incidents, increased government initiatives to promote blockchain development and adoption. In this video, we will explore the key factors driving the growth of the blockchain technology market and discuss the opportunities and challenges for businesses in this rapidly evolving space. Blockchain technology offers a number of advantages over traditional systems, including security. Blockchain transactions are secured by cryptography and are immutable, meaning that they cannot be tampered with. Transparency. All transactions on a blockchain are publicly visible, which helps to reduce fraud and corruption. Efficiency. Blockchain can help to automate and streamline many business processes, leading to increased efficiency and reduced costs. These advantages are making blockchain technology increasingly attractive to businesses in a wide range of industries, including finance. Blockchain is being used to develop new financial products and services, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Supply chain management. Blockchain can help to improve the transparency and efficiency of supply chains, making it easier to track the movement of goods and identify potential bottlenecks. Healthcare. Blockchain can be used to securely store and share patient medical records, and to develop new healthcare applications, such as drug traceability and clinical trials management. Growing adoption of blockchain as a service, BaaS solutions. BaaS solutions allow businesses to use blockchain technology without having to invest in and maintain their own infrastructure. This is making blockchain more accessible to businesses of all sizes and industries. According to a recent report by Gartner, the global BaaS market is expected to grow from $6.7 billion in 2023 to $26.5 billion in 2028. This growth is being driven by the increasing demand for blockchain solutions from businesses of all sizes. Rising identity and data theft incidents. The rising number of identity and data theft incidents is another factor driving the growth of the blockchain technology market. Blockchain can be used to create more secure and reliable identity management systems. For example, businesses can use blockchain to store and share customer data in a secure and tamper-proof manner. This can help to reduce the risk of data breaches and identity theft. Increased government initiatives to promote blockchain development and adoption. Governments around the world are increasingly investing in blockchain development and adoption. This is due to the potential of blockchain to improve the efficiency and transparency of government services. For example, the Chinese government has launched a national blockchain development plan. The Indian government is also exploring the use of blockchain for a variety of applications, including land registration and voting. Opportunities and challenges for businesses. The growing blockchain technology market presents a number of opportunities for businesses of all sizes. Businesses can use blockchain to develop new products and services, to improve the efficiency of their operations, and to reduce costs. However, there are also some challenges that businesses need to be aware of before investing in blockchain technology. One challenge is the lack of standardization in the blockchain industry. This can make it difficult for businesses to choose the right blockchain platform for their needs. Another challenge is the lack of skilled blockchain professionals. This is due to the fact that blockchain technology is still relatively new. The blockchain technology market is growing rapidly, driven by a number of factors, including increasing demand for secure and transparent transactions, growing adoption of BaaS solutions, rising identity and data theft incidents, and increased government initiatives to promote blockchain development and adoption. Businesses of all sizes have an opportunity to capitalize on the growth of the blockchain market by using blockchain to develop new products and services, to improve the efficiency of their operations, and to reduce costs.